Ndzilo wu hise xiphemu xin'wana xa muako, ndhawu leyi tshamaka tikhompyuta laha ku ri na 40 wa tona, swakudya, tibuku na swin'wana swi tshwe swi ku lohlo. Vatswari va lava leswaku lava khumbekaka va xupuriwa.
I'm hurt, my feelings are hurt, like we don't know what to do. As a parent, the other parents are here. The perpetrators must be found. We want our kids to be well educated, but unfortunately with the circumstances, with the school being burnt down, we are worried now.
Ndhawu ya dyondzo eNorthwest va vula leswaku tidyondzo ti ya emahlweni tanihileswi titlilasi ti nga tshwangiku.
We can indicate that today learning and teaching is unfolding normally at the school, but under very, very difficult circumstances, because it is difficult for teachers to provide learners with papers or any other reading material. However, we are working with the nearby schools to ensure that teaching and learning continues normally at the particular school.
Ndhawu leyi vula leswaku ku mangariwe nandzu emaphoriseni.